Hello and good morning. We're going to breakfast. It must have rained last night because we're waking up to like a little river in our pathway here. How was your sleep, Kev?
It was very good. How was yours?
The air conditioning worked like a dream. I had the blanket all the way up over my head. I was so cold, I had to turn that sucker down. That's what I'm looking for. I wish I knew what the breakfast offerings were. I always like to get a little sneak peek, but I forgot to ask at dinner. So we're just gonna have the element of surprise, I guess, this morning. I think you might be fogging up.
Ham and cheese waffle with some scrambled eggs, fruit.
I got an avocado toast with nice fruit and potatoes, ham, a little salsa. Looks great. And I don't eat ham, so I'm gonna give Kev my ham.
I don't know if you can see on here, but there's sharks. Oh, there they are.
Breakfast was just another delicious meal. Everything's just fresh, like they made the bread. They made the bread. I don't even know how you make bread, but they made the bread, the avocado, everything was so good. We got our lunch options, and that was a tough choice because it was like a fish and chips basket or a fresh BLT. I mean, how do you make that choice?
Yeah, so we went with 1 and 1.
Yeah.
So, for that. And my waffle with the ham and cheese was very good, delicious.
Yeah, everything's been just lovely.
Now we're just gonna go for a walk. We're walking around. We went to this big deck, and then we're gonna walk around more and try and just get some exercise in.
Get some steps in so we can eat more at lunch. It's 11:15. We're just gonna get out into the world now. We're just having a super late start here, but there's nothing to rush off to, which is sort of the beauty of this island. So we're just gonna go and hang out over by the pool, I think. And before we know it, it'll be time for lunch and happy hour and dinner and, you know, all the good things. But we're just still loving the air conditioning in here. So we came back in from our walk. We did like a little over 2 miles, and then we just had to cool off because it's 90 degrees, you know, it's hot and we're out there in the sun. So did a little walk, had a little cool off and a shower, washed my hair, and now we're gonna get out there. The drink of the day today is a pineapple mojito. Only comes frozen. I'm gonna have to give that a whirl. Anything else to say? I don't think so. Looks like a beautiful day. Toasty. Thank you. Cheers.
Cheers.
Happy Tuesday.
So we're just relaxing here. Brittany's reading her book. I'm on my second cocktail, and it's hot out here.
It's so hot. The pool needs some ice. Oh, that's right.
Water for the wife.
Thank you, sir.
Enjoy, guys.
I understand that, but the lie is that
Cheers. Agua, ice water. It's so hot. So hot. Nice and sunny though. I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining anyone. I'm just saying it's hot.
The deep.
Alright, we're gonna finish off with a little coconut cake for dessert.
So they do have some activities. There's horseshoes, as you can see. Horseshoes are over there. There's cornhole, batter ball over there. And then you could do all the other activities. There's the kayaks and the paddle boards. So you won't go too bored here. Just, I mean, you're in paradise. So round 2 of the pool. We just re-sunscreen and cool down a little bit. It's actually a little breezy now over here, which is good, right?
Yeah, it feels good. I mean, it's still really hot, but at least there's some breeze going.
So Brittany's just hydrating, and I'm having my panty ripper. And
Well, do you want to say what it is?
yeah, it's the Belizean rum with pineapple juice.
Is it coconut rum?
Coconut rum, yep.
Yeah.
Coconut Belizean rum. So, cheers, everybody. So we're gonna discuss lunch. We haven't talked about it yet. It's like a couple hours now after, right?
Yeah, we just
So,
see what it is.
how'd you like lunch?
Everything. I haven't had a bad meal here. And Kevin asked me off camera, so we had a BLT and like fish and chips. And he was like, "What did you prefer?" I don't know. I can't answer that because like they were both like equally delicious. Like I just loved
fresh fish. The sandwich was delicious.
Yeah, I mean everything is just like the freshest quality ingredients. So it's been beautiful weather. I'm just burnt to a crisp. Like
Yeah, very red.
And it looks
Red. It goes all along.
well, Kevin's in charge of sunscreening my back, so that's his fault. But
yeah, I did
it looks like it was like we thought maybe it was going to rain because over in the distance by the mountains, it looks like dark and it looks like it's rainy. But that looks like that for hours now, and we're still full of sun.
I'll go back, hopefully tan. But I asked her, what do you think, guess what the snack, or the happy hour snack is today? She said mozzarella sticks.
I think
so
mozzarella sticks.
you'll have to wait and see on the video here.
You're not going to tell me? Oh
Do you
my
want to know?
gosh. No, I guess not.
We'll wait and see on here, and then you'll see the video.
Tell me later.
So that's it for now. Happy hours.
I asked Alex, the manager, I had a whole list of questions, like a mile-long list of questions, so I'll have to give you guys some more information later, but a lot of things are going to be changing in the very near future, and then I asked them about future plans for like 3 to 5 years down the road, so lots of good stuff. I'm just naturally a very like inquisitive person, so like when Kevin tells me a story, I make him stop, and I'm like, wait a minute, hold on. What did they say? Where were you standing? What were they wearing? What was the, I have to know like everything. So of course I come to a place like this that's so intriguing. I had a lot of questions. This watermelon cooler is my jam. We're going to dinner a little earlier tonight. So it's 6 o'clock, dinner starts. Dinner's from 6:30 to 8:30. So we're gonna head that way soon. We've been eating like 8 o'clock, and that's really 10 o'clock to our time. So it's just like too late. So I said today to Kev, like, we just gotta try to go earlier. And I don't know if I've mentioned it previously, but there's no dress code here. You wear what you wanna wear. You wanna go cash, go cash. You wanna dress up, dress up. Some people eat in their bathing suits, some get dressed up, some people wear no shoes. It's literally whatever you want to do, nobody cares. I don't feel like doing my hair today. This was what I just threw it up when I got in the shower. This is how I'm going. I don't care. My dress today is from Old Navy. Kevin's shirt actually I think is from Old Navy. Yep, Old Navy, and you can't see the shorts, but there's nowhere to film in here, and I forgot my tripod at home, so that's all you can see of us. We pre-ordered our dinners earlier. I probably already told you that. Yep. Got some shrimps. Kev liked all the food options basically. So he ordered 2 small entrees. I ordered a small entree as well because the portion was just too big yesterday. So you can order a small, regular, or large portion of things. You got anything else?
That's it.
All right.
See ya there.
We're gonna head out. Tonight for dinner, we started off with cauliflower soup, which we split. It was a little spicy. I think it had some cayenne pepper on the top. I went with the sweet and sour shrimp with mashed potato and veg. And Kev thought 2 entrees sounded good, so he did beef chimichurri and Alberto pasta. The pasta was kind of like carbonara, but not creamy. And then we had to try both of the desserts. This was an orange Grand Marnier cake, and this was a frozen banana dessert, and it had like toffee or caramel on it. It was so good. We're home from another excellent dinner. I just keep saying all the food's so good, and that's the truth. I have not had a bad meal here. I don't expect to have a bad meal. Everything has just been so on point, and I said to Kev either yesterday or at some point today that some people may look at like the limited options as a negative because you're used to going to a resort and just having like a whole page to choose from. But everything that they give you is so fresh because they're only serving a handful of things. So those handful of things are just perfection. While we were at dinner, we ordered some room service breakfast to be delivered for 9 a.m. So we're just gonna kind of take it easy tomorrow, have a little leisurely morning. Kev has another snorkel excursion at 2 o'clock tomorrow. And I'm gonna try to stay out of the sun because I am just like so sunburned like everywhere. It doesn't hurt, but we have massages scheduled for 2 days from now, and I definitely don't want to get a massage if I'm sunburned. So tomorrow I gotta stay out of the sun a little bit more than today. So come back to see tomorrow's video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you soon. Bye.